Checking in vlog. It's pizza oven night. We're having a fire. It's been raining for the past few days. Pizza's in the oven. It's getting crisp up in there. We're living life, guys.
Out of my eyes. Ow! I'm right there.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What happened? Did you smoke in your eyes?
Yeah, a lot.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Blink, 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 blink. Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, you're good.
Our little drama queen. And we hit the exit for the pumpkin patch.
Olive oil pantry, look. That wasn't too long.
Alright, we're in. Let's put our bracelets on, dude. What? Heck yeah. I am recording.
Oh, are you? Okay, Daddy will put yours on, okay?
Let's go straight to the slides.
No, we have to wait for Taylor.
We can do it multiple times. Come on.
Oh, really?
If there's no line.
One time?
Yes, if there's no line, yes. Elena. Peep. Oh, I got Dex. I'll do you too, Mom.
Okay, they should be here like in 5 minutes.
Yeah, and then we'll be in line for the slide with them when they get checked in. You don't need one, baby, because you're a baby. You're good.
You'll get one next year. You can still do everything, though. It's okay.
All right, come on. Let's go get in lines.
I got one, too.
We are out here at Unicliffe Dell'osso Farms. Dax, you excited?
Yeah.
What is the name of that slide called?
I don't remember.
Thrill Hill. Oh my God, look at those, guys. The little hamburger things are so cool, actually. There's a little playground over there. Mommy's looking cute as ever. She copied me. I had on these colors and green shorts, and she couldn't copy me.
I didn't know that you had green.
She did. Hot dog, Jay's favorite, hot dog.
With Anthony and stuff, I love it.
Yeah. Look at this thing, guys. Can he come in and play? Yeah, go for it, Dax. Go for it, Jay. Go with Mom. I'll stay with the baby. Can you put your head out the pumpkin window? I see you guys, hi. Oh, on the bridge, Jay. You look so cool. What happened?
I was sliding down there and I got my butt wet.
On what, the slide up there with Mom?
Yeah.
And did you get sandy too?
Yeah.
Oh no, was it still fun?
Yeah.
Let's go do another slide.
Yeah. Hold these.
You're the leader.
Daddy, we have our...
What the heck is this thing?
What?
It's like a little river thing or something.
What little river thing? What little river thing? Yeah, there is.
Look, there's Mommy.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mommy. Oh, it's dry. Okay, you go first.
Yes. Okay, I want to know where I'm going. You can see me. Mom, oh.
What?
Perfect.
Oh.
Watch them come out, okay?
Oh, that's pretty slow. Well, we can go faster. And faster.
It is wet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let him down.
I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, you're so wet.
Whoa! Ah, it is.
You're so wet, Dax,
At the
on your
end, it's a little
bottom.
wet.
Oh god. Yeah, yours is really wet.
That's fine. It's life.
Okay, it's
The guy said 4 was really wet.
She tried green. No, green is the
You want mommy to try it? Mommy don't want her butt wet. You want to do 4 or green? We got it. You want to do it again or no? No. Okay, let's go look at Tiny Town. Whoa. Tiny Town at our house. Which way are we going first?
This way.
Safetyville. Yeah, that's the Tiny Town. Let's go.
Welcome to Teeny Town.
Good morning, guys. Dude, look at it. You got gas. No way. You can take the gas pump off. Are you filling up the car? Oh. Well, I'm just gonna happen to go in here. I'm in the town. I'm in the town. I'm in the town. Good job, Jay. You feeling too?
I love it.
Mama, they have the open windows, and they have real hair stuff.
Oh my gosh, I have to do my hair.
Sir, can I have one Shasta Daisy?
Yes.
Oh, there you go. Can I have my change back?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay, and my Shasta Daisy, please.
Okay, in all the shots today, so you don't
Oh, thank you.
What do you want?
Oh, it smells so good. You can actually have a tip because that was such a good job. Thank you. Do you see the moon pie sign?
You get a card.
No way. It's a shopping store. I want that. That's sick. That's cauliflower.
Then you can get a card.
Get a cart. Oh my God, you can get in it? Push the button. See what it does.
Okay.
Push it.
Well, let me put that back.
Oh, good job. Push it. Hold it. Hold it. That was cool. That was cool.
Let me drive it.
Let's go look at that building over there. Post office.
Oh.
Jay Bird, post office over here.
Look, it's like a little mini stage.
It is. It's town hall.
I want to go in there.
Let's go see what's inside the post office.
Yeah. I'm going to look at the mailbox. How do you even open
Oh,
this
that's
thing?
cool. You can even open it.
Yeah. That's really cool.
Look, your brother's awake.
Hi, Wes. I can push him up a little more.
Jailbreak into the bank. Oh no. Oh no. I know. That's when you take that and say, we caught him taking it.
The button is broken.
Oh my God, it's a jailbreak.
Look at the thing. What do they do?
Yeah, I want to go through the jailbreak. Oh, I put him in the sun again. I'm sorry. Oh, it's going on? No. Oh,
The button is broken.
that's okay. Dude, the vault door.
The vault?
The animal house. Elena. God, Jaybird, were you touching a horse tail? Go show me again. Oh my God. He's gonna fart on you, watch out. Oh. Oh. You guys are so, look at this.
Oh, put that in there.
And the chicken eggs. That's cool.
I want to put them in me.
Come here, my love. I haven't kissed you at the pumpkin patch. Ah, not a pajarete.
So the pumpkin patch. We have a carousel and everything?
We have everything, Elena. You're good, man.
Do that, sorry.
No, you're all good. Oh!
Where's Jackson?
Thank you. What up, Cesar? What up, Raph? How you doing, bud? Hi, Lucia. Raph, there's so much cool stuff over there, honestly, like for kids, like so much shit, yeah. But we need to go and boogie to the inner tubes, because there's no line right now, like no line.
Is it open?
Yes.
Let's go.
I know. Well, I know.
Probably the go-karts, right? 'Cause that's
Ma'am, is it open? We can just go on? Okay, let's go. Yeah, with an adult, that's fine. Mom, you stay with Wes, Mom. You gotta do the fun thing over there. You gotta do the playground. Come on, go.
perfect. We can't leave.
You just go around. No, you gotta go around. You having fun, Jay?
Now let's do it again.
Hold on, I need a break.
Okay, I'm spinning.
We're coming to a stop. Okay, we're stopping. Yeah, we did it, Jay.
Dizzy. Well, I was dizzy.
Is that good?
Yes.
Yes?
That was
She'll let us out.
I was dizzy.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Yes? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Careful getting out. I'll help you, Jay. Come this way. Yay! Thank you so much. I heard her. As soon as the spin started, I heard. Ah! All right, should we go to the big one now? Oh, look, there's people up there, so it is open now.
Okay, here comes drop by.
See mommy at the top? Look at my phone, you can see mommy.
Wave at him. Wave at him. Say hi.
Hi, Dex!
Hi, Mom.
Hi, mommy! Hi, Dex!
Hi,
Say it again.
Mommy.
Yo. Hi, mommy! Hi, Dex! Good job. And you know what's cool? They don't have to push themselves. It's on like a conveyor belt that just throws them off the edge. Like the workers press a button and it just whoop right off.
Look, here comes Mama and Raph. Look at Mama.
Who wins? Auntie Kayla won! Woo! Woo! Good job!
No, yes, it is. It is.
Okay.
Look, it is fun. Look, they're all the way up there. There they go. They're gonna go. Look, Uncle's getting in right there. Oh, there they go.
come to a complete stop. Thank you so much for coming.
Crack this open.
That's 87.
87, yeah?
Yeah.
My bad, brother.
Nah, you're good.
Cool, cool, cool.
I want
Cool, cool, cool. Alright.
Listen to mommy. Do you want a cheeseburger or thank you?
Did you say thank you? Yeah.
Cool, buddy.
Hello, hello.
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad.
Thank you. Right, have a good day, hon.
Thank you. You too. Can I do a flight?
A flight?
Yes. Is it pre-selected already, the drinks?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, just one flight, yes. And then what's like your lightest beer? Like
The lightest?
Hill. Oh, you have Modelo. Let me just do a Modelo. Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, exactly. I'll know she'll like that.
Perfect. What Modelo?
It's like Moonberry is not an Excel.
What are you getting?
A flight and a Modelo.
Okay.
It's only 5.
What's in the flight? What is it?
Anything above that.
Right here. So we have
So
apple
Diet
pie,
Mountain.
moonberry,
Passion fruit, pineapple, and dry apple.
there you go. Dry
Perfect. I like it.
apple. Okay, so 28.
And then your Modelo.
Perfect.
Yeah, so anything that's higher up, like
There you
the
go.
mango, the apple pie, those are all Excel series.
Got it. Those are
Yeah, that's with the Excel series.
Alrighty.
Enjoy.
Thank you guys.
Like I get it.
Order number 75. 75.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yes. No, I'm missing it. I can't find it. Yeah, I don't. Oh, they actually don't look that big.
I got you a Modelo.
That's fine.
Yeah, I said safe and easy. We have plain dry apple, passion fruit berry or something, blackberry, and apple pie. Ah, those are good. I like that one. Do it again, Jay. You want to do the slide? You gotta go up though. Here, I'll help you.
I just gotta climb. I just gotta climb. Dad.
I'm right here. Oh my god, you got air, Jay.
There's so much orange everywhere. I love
You have to come see.
Come on. Pump it fast. Pump. Oh my god, Kayla's the older sister. Kayla done blew you out the water, Elena.
Wait, bud, you gotta get your duck. Okay, hang on. Yay!
Here we go. Look, she's a pirate, look. Hi, Miss Pirate. Yeah. Uh-oh, look, Dax. All the kids' shoes for the kids they sacrificed. Uh-oh. I'll go first. You ready, Jay? Look at the people. Say hi. Like, wave. Say hi. Look. Yeah. Oh, my God. Dax, this is fun. It's what it's supposed to be. Hey, look at me. You're doing great. You gotta come in front with me, okay? Come on. Dax, if you come in front with me, it's better. Come on. Come on. Here, hold my hand. Hold my hand, Dax. Dax. Come here. You got this. Hold my hand. Dax, hold my hand. Hey, it's all costume decoration. We like this. Ready? You gotta laugh when they get us. Ready? Jay, it's okay. Where do we go? Whoa. I think you just put an apple in here. There's no time limit. Let's stay right here, Jay. Stay there.
Give her an apple.
Stay right there.
Try to bite the apple. Shoot it.
Good. Ready? Go. Do it. There.
Oh, that one went far.
I'm trying to hit the stem of the pumpkin. What are you doing? Stem of the pumpkin.
I seen that. What? I got one more. It does smell like rotten apple. Okay. All right, I got one more bucket. You want to do it, Elena?
Take a turn now.
Dax, come on. Oh, you guys want to go now?
Yeah.
Okay, we got. No. Okay. It's like. You want to try again, Dax? You don't want to? Okay.
Yeah. Is it too hard?
It's not that hard, guys.
Heavy too.
I want to hit that pumpkin that's hanging. Okay, there's a ghost right there. I'm going for that. Oh, I almost got the bell. Did you see that, Elena? Way too high. Oh, I almost got the bell again. I want to get the bell. Ah. I hit the stem. Okay. All right, last two. Oh, so close to the bell. Okay, here we go. Last shot for the bell.
Should be able to hit it.
Ah, all right.
All right, grab all the buckets, put them up here.
Alright. How do we do this?
You first or Matt first?
Rob, you want to do it? Come on.
When you push it forward, the apple falls in. You let it go, and it's locked in to go. And then there's a trigger on the side. It smells like rotten apples. You want to sit there? Whoa!
You gotta aim it, Raph.
Yeah, it's hard to pick up. You're gonna have to help him pick it up. Bill. That's tight.
Yeah.
So that'd be crazy. You see it?
Yeah.
You see it? Jackson Ralph made it. Help your brother.
If you,
Sorry.
Dad, if you would pick me up, I could see the whole thing, the whole picture perfectly.
Left, right? I think his directions are here.
Back straight or something.
Yeah, he said you can turn right back around and come right where you came from. I don't care though. We can do that.
Next year, we're going to train.
On the side. Whoa. Whoa. Race him, Jay. Run, run, run. Run, Jay, run. Beat him, Jay. Beat him. Got Wesley asleep. You got Mommy asleep. You got Daxter asleep. But not Jay Bird. High five, Jay Bird.